Hello guys, welcome to my Unreal Engine tutorial series. In this episode, we are going to learn how to attach a weapon to our character. So let's get started. Last time we talked about blank spaces, blueprints, and some other things. And we arrived here in this result. So today we are going to be creating a weapon blueprint. So to create a weapon blueprint, right click, go to blueprint class, click on actor, type in weapon or any name you want to give it, weapon BP. So I'm going to create a child blueprint here, call this rifle. Then I'm going to create another child blueprint, call this sniper, and another child blueprint, call this pistol. We can create another one, call this SMG. That's it. Now we have to assign our rifle. We'll be using rifle for now. Open the rifle blueprint up, drop it here. Then open your weapon. Open the weapon BP. Then on this add component under the weapon BP, open it up, type in skeletal mesh. Click on skeletal mesh. We can call this weapon compile. So from this weapon, we have our weapon as inherited from this rifle and other weapons. So from here, we are going to add our weapon. So you can add your weapon. If you know the name, you type in the name, or you can just go to the content browser, browse to your weapon. So I will be using this weapon. Click, or you can click and drag it into the skeletal mesh, compile, save. Let's save all, avoid losing our works. Now we have to assign it to our skeletal mesh, which is the arm. So our arm is located here. Click up and click on the skeleton. This is the arm skeleton. Look for hand right, not left, but right. Hand right, yes. Open up the hand right. Go to add socket, click add socket. It will add our socket here. Right click it and click rename socket. I'll call this equip weapon, which is WP. So right click it again, click preview asset, because we want to set up the preview of our weapon. So I'll be using this AK-47, which we use in our rifle. Now we are going to fit this to the hand, fit it to the hand, down, drag it down, and then drag it so it will fit to the hand. Let's see. Okay, we have to rotate it this way. Okay, and then take it back like this. Now I've set up this one, so I'm going to save. My PC keeps hanging, so sorry for the delay. Save, and then we have to check our preview idle. Type in idle, click, let's see. Okay, we have to pause this, move it back a little, and then save. I think we should bring it down a little more. Yes, save. Now for the hand, we need to adjust the hand. To adjust the hand, we have to go to our idle, type in idle under the animation, go to the idle animation, check it very well. You can also use IK to set up this. So click the hand, which is the left arm. Click the left arm, and then add a key. Click the key, click apply. You have to pause this animation for now. Now we have to put the hand back a little. Okay, bring it forward a little. And then set a key, apply. Now we have to rotate it this way. But it will twist the hand itself, which we don't want. Now what do? We have to go back. Because, okay, Control Y. Okay. Now how do we twist the hand? Let's go to the upper arm. Go to the upper arm. Turn it this way and bring it back. Then set a key and apply. Now click the lower arm, bring it up, bring it back. Then click the upper arm, set a key, click the upper arm, adjust it. Let's, okay, and then key, apply. I think it's wrong. So that's okay. This way. So what else do we do? Apply. So it's better like this, which is the first one we use, the first method. So we have to click the upper arm, then adjust it backward. Check it very well if it is correct. and then save. Let's add a key, apply, save. Go to the skeleton. We have to save it in the skeleton also. Save. That's updated in the skeleton. So let's play. So this is our ID, which is set already. Now, the next thing we have to do is to check our movement. We have to check our movement. To check our movement, we need to check our rifle walk. This is our rifle walk. So go to 0. Come to this place, rifle walk. On the 0, look for the lower arm, move it forward like this, and then set a key, apply, and save. I think this should be okay. Then walk backward. We have to set a key also for the walk backward. Slide. Why am I supposed to do it this way? So let's use the upper arm instead. Move the upper arm up and move it back. Then set a key, apply, save. This is the walk back. Walk back. This is the walk back. Now for the walk forward, double click the walk forward and move this up, 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 and let's see, being selected. So upper arm left, keep down, and then okay, and then set a key, apply, and save. Right, do the same thing. Upper arm, check. So, and then set a key, apply, and save. Then walk right, the same thing, the same thing. Upper arm, and then set a key, apply, save. Now I think we are done with this area. Then save, we have to save. Okay, so what do we all right, I think we are done for the rifle for now. How do we apply it to our character? We have to go to the blueprint, character, go to our arm blueprint child, not the main blueprint, the blueprint child. So from this blueprint child, click on the skeletal mesh, click add component, type in actor, child actor, click the child actor, call this weapon, and then from the weapon, look for the weapon we created earlier, which is the rifle. Click on rifle. Now we have to set our rifle to our socket because it's not on the socket. Click here, look for the equip weapon, and then compile. When we play, we find out that we have our gun set, but it's clipping through the camera, so we set that later. It's clipping through the camera. So that's for that for today. Thank you very much.